All right, Carib Star family, just like that, we are back with you. And we've come to that part of the show where it's all about the live performance. So without further ado, Taddy P, it's over to you. I told you we're in for a very special treat this afternoon. We got Taddy P in the building, and if you think that's the only selection, we got more. Taddy P, you ready to get more? All right, let's do this.
Shake that thing, miss. Can I shake that thing, miss? Annabella shake that thing, yeah. Donna, Jody and Rebecca. Woman, get busy. Just shake that booty non-stop when the beat drop. Just keep swinging it, get jiggy. Get pumped up, percolate anything you want. Because it's oscillate if I don't take pity. Want to see you get live on the rhythm of my ride. And my lyrics up about electricity. Girl, nobody can tell you nothing because you don't know your destiny. Yo, sexy ladies want part with us. You know the car with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next with us, them can't vex with us. From the day my bonds I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, let's get it on till I earn them on. Girl, it's all good, just turn me on. Girl, don't sweat it, don't get agitated. Girl, go and rotate, cause anything you want, you know you must get it. Coming in my mention, don't ease the tension. Girl, run the program, just walk with it. Yo, have a good time, girl, free up on your mind. Cause nobody can this, your man won't let it. Cause you are the number one, girl, wave your hand, make them see the wedding band. Yo, sexy ladies want part with us. You know the car with us, them not war with us. You know the club, them want flex with us. To get next to us, them not vex with us. From the day my bond I ignite my flame. Girl, I call my name and it is my fame. It's all good, girl, turn me on till I earn them on. Let's get it on, let's get it on till I earn them on. Girl, it's all good, just turn me on. Come on, get busy, just shake that booty non-stop. When the beat drop, just keep swinging it, get jiggy. Get drunk up, percolate anything you want, forgot it, oscillate if I don't take pity. Want to see you get live when the rhythm is a ride. And my lyrics are about electricity. Girl, nobody can tell you nothing, cause you don't know your destiny. Destiny, 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 destiny.
Yo, Johnny! No need to worry. Oh, no, no. Red Fox? Oh, no, no. What a time! Cause blessings follow me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Every time. Oh, yeah, yeah. Take it away!
We're celebrating Taddy P and his music this here afternoon. But now I'll get one of the accompany. I don't have the accompanying instruments to this study. So we're gonna have to give them this one as it has been recorded. This is Taddy P, Red Fox. This one titled Blessings. Why Taddy P? Nice performance a while ago in a bridging. I want to say thanks again for taking the time for pass through.
Oh, my pleasure, man.
Lending your talent
respect
to the show, you see me?
Yeah, man, enough respect.
It's a vibe.
Yeah, man.
Carib Star family, before we complete the juggling, before I let Taddy P go, Taddy P, where the people can continue to find and support the music?
It's easy, man. TADDYP. Just Google it. You can find me on Instagram, YouTube, Taddy P Music, Facebook, all streaming platforms,
all right.
Spotify, your favorite. Just choose your favorite streaming platform and you find Taddy P. TADDYP. All the music them there. Just play. Just stream.
It's been a blessing having Taddy P on the show. And Taddy P, you still not leave without answer the question we may ask.
We have two names for you.
Tell me.
Junior Gang.
Mad.
Chronics.
We are draw Chronics out of retirement, because I don't know what's going on with the artist, but the artist just take for himself, they put a little hiatus, but Chronics.
Yeah, man.
We miss the bridging music.
Yeah.
So you need you understand?
Yeah, man. Amazing music.
Yes, I.
Yeah, man.
And the gang himself.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. That's been a wicked collaboration. I hear it already.
Yeah, man.
It's
hear it
nice. All right, Taddy, we're going to go on vibe for the next few minutes.
All right.
We got just about maybe 14, 15 minutes with you. So make a vibe now.
Red Fox. What a time. Cause blessings fall on me. Oh yeah, yeah. Every time. Oh yeah, yeah. Take it away. Living the life we wanna live. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Can't touch the vibe, be no stupid. No, no, no. Music in my bones from I was a kid. And now I'm moving. Can't stop grooving. No blessings, pure blessings falling down on me. No blessings, no questions. This is only me. No blessings, pure blessings falling down on me. No blessings, no questions. I'm where I wanna be. Yeah. So hold on, vines and let it ring. Love the life you live and live the life you love. Keeping my mind very positive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I won't forget, but I will forgive. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Life is a journey with ups and downs. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ain't nothing can stop me from getting my crown. Those blessings, pure blessings, falling down on me. Red blessings, no questions. This is only me. No complaint. Blessings, pure blessings, falling down on me. Red blessings, no questions. I'm where I wanna be. Yeah, yeah. So hold on, vines and let it ring. Love the life you live and live the life you love. Hear this? Tell them send me your people, it's like set them no here. Tell them said no worry, but some just can't see clear. No fake out the blessings, richer than a zillionaire. There is no need for stressing, God is always near. These blessings, pure blessings, falling down on me. Learn blessings, no questions. This is only me. These blessings, pure blessings, falling down on me. Learn blessings, no questions.
Lose some and you win some, but tonight no losers here. This music born in Kingston, keep it grooving without fear. Whoa.
Knowledge teaches wisdom. Seek and see things clear. Celebrating for a reason. To share the Lord we bear. Everybody sing. Everybody sing. vibes I'm feeling here has got me on a mission to get my stuff in gear.
Ain't no use in wishing things will just appear. Oh no, no, no. But when the big bad bass is kicking them, every problem disappear. Oh, everybody sing. Na, 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 na.
Everybody sing.
Everybody sing. Oh no, 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 no. The angelic sound of reggae music play. Everybody sing. The dead man got your If it was a rubber dub, we would be lost in the concrete jungle and the chemical forest. Your love could not be found. So now that we find our love, we gon' skank with our arms wide open up, giving thanks unto the Almighty, highly high for saving us.
So to close my conversation,
Those who have ears will hear.
keep a upful meditation.
There's a lot more love to share.
Without hesitation, be free and don't be scared. We need no reservation to have a good time while we're here. Everybody sing. Everybody sing. Would you love me if I take you to Mali? Would you love me if I take you to Havana? Would you love me if I take you to my streets? Would you love me if I let you meet my mother? Maybe we can go to Timbuktu. Coming on the beach till the beer done, bro. Maybe we can take a trip go to Cuba. Girl, hold me and make we dance some salsa. But I'm just a Jamaican boy. My feelings are being deployed. I can't ignore this no more. I wanna know. Would you love me if I take you to Mali?
Carib Star Radio, the home of your favorite reggae hits.
To Havana? Would you love me if I take you to my streets? Would you love me if I let you meet my mother?
To the show. You want to share two special selections? You want to give me the last two songs to close out the show? What do you like for you upon the Saturday, upon the afternoon?
Yeah, well, we are continuing with the vibe we are continuing upon. Now that we found love, third world.
Pick it selection.
Yeah.
Carib Star Radio, the home of your favorite reggae hits.
With it, now that we found love, what are we gonna do? With it, now that we found love, what are we gonna do? With it.
So now that you found Carib Star Radio, what are you gonna do with it? You gotta tell somebody, and make sure that somebody that tells somebody. Just like how I'm gonna tell you about the folks at Style File Global. Do you know what's always on trend? Looking and feeling confident in your clothes? Whether you are discovering, cultivating, or elevating your style, we have got you covered. Book a style consultation today at stylefileglobal.com. That's www.stylephyleglobal.com. And let one of our style experts start you on your style journey. Hey, this has been your journey over the bridge. I've been your host, DJ Roddy G, alongside none other than the
Taddy P in the house.
Yes, I. So, Carib Star fam.
Yeah.
Until the next journey, be good to you and yours. And
Yeah,
the
man.
Almighty continue bless and protect the ones and ones.
Later we say no.
Yes, I. All right, folks, that's it, sir.
Yeah.
Master Control, it's over to you.